Hello, I'm Jesse Little. I'm a Master Certified Product Concierge at Mercedes-Benz in Kansas City, and today we're going to talk about Apple CarPlay and its interface with the Mercedes-Benz family of vehicles. Today we're sitting in a GLE class vehicle, and the way we're going to discuss it today is the way it works in most all of our vehicles that are equipped with Apple CarPlay except the E-Class and the S-Class. I'll discuss a little differences in that as I get to it. So to work Apple CarPlay, you need your iPhone standard charging cord. You plug it into the number 2 USB jack in the car, and you want to plug it into your phone. Unlock your phone. It comes up and it says, do you want to start it manually or automatically? For the purposes of this, we'll say automatically, which means anytime you plug in, it's going to ask you, it'll just go ahead and absolutely start it. So then it says to unlock your phone. So we're going to get on the phone here and we're going to unlock our phone that we're using here today. And Apple CarPlay comes up. And you can see that this looks just like the icons that you see on your iPhone. Your phone's going to ask, do you want to allow the car to talk to the phone? And the answer is yes. So then using your command knob down here, you can scroll between these different features. You'll notice that if you have Pandora or Spotify or any other music app, that those pop up also, as well as your standard audiobooks, podcast. That's our logo. I'll get back to that in a minute. Whatever's now playing, your text messages, your Apple Maps, your Apple Music, and your phone functions. When I come down to the little Mercedes-Benz logo and click on it with the command knob, you'll see the screen now looks like our regular command screen, except instead of saying navigation, radio, audio, phone, it says radio, Apple CarPlay, vehicle. Apple CarPlay has taken over the function of the navigation, your phone, and your music, digital music functions, still allowing you to get to your AM, your FM, and your Sirius satellite. So when we go back to Apple CarPlay and click on it, you'll also see that you can do all your regular functions just like you're doing. And the nice thing is when you come to your steering wheel here and you push your voice control button and you hold it down, come back here, you'll see that you've got Siri active, and you can give Siri a command and tell her just anything you want to do, just like you would be talking to your phone without taking your eyes off the road and still while keeping your hands on the steering wheel. This is pretty simple, and it works the same way in all of our cars that are equipped with Apple CarPlay, except the E-Class and the S-Class. And you'll notice that on those two cars, there's a third USB jack, and it is down here on the center console, and that's where you would plug in Apple CarPlay if you were using Apple CarPlay in those two cars. And that's how you interface with Apple CarPlay in a Mercedes-Benz. Thank you very much.